lots of yellow perch. They were biting on minnows today. Excellent eating. Some say it's the poor man's walleye, and other people say walleye is the poor man's yellow perch. In any case, good eating. I'm going to fillet these boys when they get home, when we get home. Peace out.
Hey, what is this fish?
Yellow perch.
Yeah. How many is this?
There's about 24 of them of various sizes. The smallest ones were thrown away, but or let loose. And this is going to be good eating. We got to fillet them up, and petite me will be eating good tonight. Here's another fish. Oh, there's the fillet right there.
Show me, honey. Show me.
That's a fillet. A little teeny fillet. Fish McNuggets.
Wow, nice.
They will be tasty though, I assure you. Nothing but the skin. See how much easier that is?
Yeah, it's easy. Very easy, huh? Very nice, honey. It's actually very
It goes a lot faster too.
Yeah. Show me again. Show me again. Look at that, huh? How clean.
Nice little